All right, we got this amazing rolling foldable cart / table. And as you can see, it's nice and compact right now, but it expands and it holds a lot of storage, a lot of food, whatever you want to put in here. This thing's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and just introduce everything to you. As you can see, it's on wheels. The wheels can be locked. As you can see right here, this red thing right here, that is a lock. All the wheels can be locked. Got this handle that I'll show you in just a second. But let's go ahead and let's open it. So we're going to pull this open. We're going to pull this open right here. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually remove the top right here, set the top off to the side. Now we're going to open this up, open this up, open. We're going to open this up right here. And we're going to open this up right. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to open this up, open this up. We're going to open this up, and then we are going to open this up. So we got all of it open. Now we're just going to lock each side into place right there. I got that side locked in right here. Now we'll come over to this side right here. We will lock it in by pushing there and pushing there. Lock this side in over here by pushing there, there. Same thing right here, there, and there. It's locked in. Then we're going to go ahead. We are going to place this piece right here. I'm actually going to change the angle. All right, so we're a little higher up. We're going to take this piece right here. We're going to lock it in right here. Make sure it's clicked in on the corners. And then we're just going to take this piece, slide it back like that to lock it in. Take this piece, make sure it's in. Slide it back to lock it in. It's locked in right there. So that's great. Now we'll come over here. We'll take this piece right here, and we're just going to set it on top here to lock it in. Let's make sure it's locked in. There we go. And there we go. It's locked in. And now what we can do, fold that. We can place all sorts of stuff on top of here, as well as we can even come down here, push these in. This folds out. You can store all sorts of stuff in here that you can get into, and you can even come around to the other side. Do the same thing. Just a really nice cart. This thing is great. It's going to come in very handy for you, and I highly recommend it to you.